Hello and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today is another open collaboration. I'll tell you about that a little later, but now let's go ahead and jump into our first DIY. I'm recycling this. I have a mirror, some floral foam, and I'm going to be adding a lot of hot glue, and I'm going to be adhering it to the floral foam. And as you can see on that floral foam, I already added that diamond ribbon, also from Dollar Tree, and again, I am repurposing this piece. So now that the glass is completely adhered to the floral foam, I'm coming in with this nutcracker, and as you can tell, I also added some diamonds around his hat, around the bottom of the vase, and also the waist of the nutcracker. Look at how gorgeous. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take plenty of hot glue and glue it to the mirror. So now with this floral cylinder, I'm just gonna add some hot glue around the border, and then I am going to be covering the nutcracker. And as you can see, we are making cloche. I'll be making 4 of them today. And with more hot glue, I'm gonna be adding these pearls around it. We wanna make sure that it looks nice and finished and that it looks nice and neat. And this is the way it looks so far. I'll come back to it to add the knob on top in a few seconds. In the meantime, I'm gonna take this one and I am going to be painting it with black chalk paint. I'll be doing that to the entire nutcracker. And today is an open collaboration, and it is being hosted by Brenda, Rustic and Lazy DIY, along with Amanda, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and the co-host is Chantel, Crafty Hints. In today's video, we must create 3 Christmas theme DIYs. I'll make sure to leave the links directly to all of their channels down in my description box, along with the playlist. Make sure to visit them, give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking it. And now we need a base to put it on. Now that it's dry, I have this coaster, and I am going to be painting the opposite side with 1 coat of the same black chalk paint. So now everything is dry and it's time to go ahead and assemble everything together. I'm gonna go ahead again with plenty of hot glue. I'm gonna go ahead and glue the nutcracker to the coastal. So I'm gonna use more hot glue, and I'm gonna be placing it right here on the rim of this vase. And then once that is completely covered with hot glue, I'll be covering up the nutcracker. And the reason why I did the different colors is because I need for you to tell me which is your favorite. Now, I took these 2 gemstones from Dollar Tree, I glued them together, and with more hot glue, now we have something to place up here, and now it looks like a true cloche. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I thought it needed something in the bottom, so I found this in my stash. I can't remember what the name is. If anybody knows the name of it, can you let me know in the comment section? I didn't have the label to be able to let you know the name of it, but anyway, they sell it in dollar stores, and they do sell it for Halloween. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this around twice. I'm gonna be showing you the final review at the end of the video. So now I also have another nutcracker, and this one I'm going to be giving it 2 coats of white chalk paint. And my dear friends, for more inspiration, don't forget the playlist down below. Don't forget to visit these talented creators. You will not regret it. They are so talented. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like to all of our channels for more inspiration. Watch our videos all the way into the end so you can let us know which is your favorite from our videos. So again, I decided to paint this nutcracker in white only because a lot of people like, you know, different colors, different themes. Me, personal, I love glam. I also do farmhouse. I also love the color white. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite color. What do you like to craft and how do you like to decorate your house? I also want you to know that when you leave me comments in my comment section, I try to reply to all the comments so I get to know you better. And now let's go ahead and continue to give this nutcracker entire white coat, and then we'll go ahead and continue to assemble it. And now it's completely dry, so the same step. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this hot glue, and then I'll just glue it right on top of the mirror. And then of course I have another cylinder vase that I am going to be gluing right here. Actually, I'm gonna be putting hot glue on the border, and then of course I'm just gonna go ahead and cover the entire nutcracker. Oof, I can't even talk today. And on this one, I'm also going to be putting some of these little gemstone stickers, and I will be putting it right here in the border, only to cover that hot glue, only because of course we want this to look nice and pretty and finished and not sloppy. And guys, I must say that this one is my favorite by far. Look at how beautiful. It looks so nice and neat and clean. I also have this candle holder. I bought these at IKEA, 6 in a package. I believe I paid like $3 or $4 many years ago. So all I'm doing is adding hot glue, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here, or I should say place it right here, and look at how beautiful it looks. I am totally in love with this piece. Leave me in the comment section your thoughts and which is your favorite so far. I also have this one right here. Remember that I told you that I was going to come back to it, so I am also going to be putting a candle holder right on top top. This looks nice and classy, and this is going to be going to my fireplace. I have a collection of nutcrackers. And the final project, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. I'm just going to be using plenty of hot glue, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put everything together. I also want to take this moment to thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. I would love to hear in the comments section which has been your favorite of these 4 nutcrackers cloches. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm inviting you to join this amazing community of subscribers who are already enjoying our content. Your support means the world to me. And for those who hasn't subscribed, I'm encouraging you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future inspiration. And now guys, we are ready to show you the final review. I am so excited. This looks amazing in my fireplace. But again, your comments are highly appreciated. Just let me know what you think. And don't forget to come back for more videos to come. So hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss all of these other videos that are coming soon. And just remember that this community of crafters have already started crafting for Christmas, so you guys can get ready and start collecting your items so you could craft along with us. And now guys, for the final review. I will see you in my next video.